What up, everybody? This is your favorite realtor, Josh Brown, coming to you guys live and direct today. And today I got a nice little property that I want to show you guys. This is actually a duplex kind of. So there's 2 units, but it's just on one lot. That's the property right there. So this would be a good little house hack for, you know, some first-time home buyers, investors. You can also Airbnb that other side, which also has a separate interest, and I'm gonna show you guys that. So, you know, like and subscribe to my page. If you don't know, I'm Josh Brown. I am the realtor out here in Denver, Colorado. So stay tuned and let's go take a look at this property. And just a little bit about this property before we go in. This property is in Aurora, Colorado. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath. So the other unit is going to be a 1-bed, 1-bath, and then the main house is going to be a 3-bed, 2-bath. And this is listed by Toby Waters at Location Realty. So, you know, if you guys want a private showing, definitely let me know. I can definitely get you in, and let's go take a look at this property. So starting off with the front of the property. The second door is over here to the left to get inside, and I'm just kidding. I think it might be in the back side, but we'll see. So walking into the building, got a nice little floor plan. Kitchen's right there. Living room. Walk through the kitchen. This is gonna be the 3-bed, 2-bath unit. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Now, huge fridge. Take you guys back this way. So all the rooms are going to be upstairs for this unit. Here's one of the rooms. Bathroom. Another room right here. Closet. And I'm guessing this is going to be the bigger room. Closet. So this is a 3-bed, 1-bath unit here. And as you guys can see, both units have central air conditioner too, so that's pretty cool. So this is us going into the first unit. Kitchen is like right here as soon as you walk in. Another one of those huge fridges. And there's another, I think that's just a storage closet. And we walk into here. This is gonna be their 2nd bedroom / bathroom. Shower right here. So this is a nice little unit. So that was pretty much the property view, man. This address is 10600 East 8th Ave over in Aurora, Colorado. If you guys are looking for a house hack situation or, you know, first time home just to have a mother-in-law suite, this will be a great deal for some of you buyers. The purchase price for this property is about $569,000. It's been on the market, you know, for some time. So, I mean, you know, we definitely can get in there and get a good offering. So if you're interested, definitely DM me, you know, like and subscribe to the channel so your boy can get you guys more investment opportunities that are going to be coming to the market. And, you know, stay tuned. I will be back with some more property showings. And this one is a 4-bed, 2-bath. One unit is a 1-bed. The other unit is a 3-bed, 1-bath. So, you know, you definitely can house hack this and use it as a rental. You know, your options are pretty wide there. Or live in one unit, rent out the other. Live in this side, the 1-bed, 1-bath side, and rent out the other side. Be a great opportunity for somebody. So, yeah, definitely like and subscribe to my channel. Follow all my social medias. They'll be linked below. And if you guys want to hop on a Calendly with me just to kind of see what opportunities there are out here, I'll leave that below so you can book an appointment with me straight from here. So, yeah, this is your favorite realtor, Josh Brown. Over and out.